Hello viewers, you will like this design. Friends, in this video, you can see my very beautiful, colorful baby frog made with the help of Qureshi. It has very stylish designing. You can see it is very beautiful designing. The best video is for those who can make out easel, especially Qureshi. People requested to show baby frog designing. Whatever you guys want to see related designing, we are providing. We are providing you all those designing and show all those designing. Hope you will like this video. Friends, if you like the video, then please subscribe my channel. Please like the video and press the bell icon so that every new notification, new fresh ideas will reach you and you guys will continue to see this latest and beautiful designing. Keep expressing your opinion and tell us what kind of designing you want to see. We will try our best to do better for your people. Bring more beautiful designing and you can show it to the people. Friends, I can see every beautiful designing. If you want to give it a fancy look, then you can use plus in it also with the help of this. It will become very beautiful and beautiful designing. Earlier, I uploaded the video that was with birds and more. Beautiful lawn frog, baby frog designs. I hope you will like the design of the recent video that I uploaded on the baby lawn frog designs. So viewers, like my video more and more. The designs were very beautiful. So I thought to share with you another new video. In this too, I am going to share with you many baby frog lawn frog design. New idea, so my video is mandatory till the end. I hope you will like my video and the design will give you very beautiful design ideas. In this video, you can stitch what you have at home and show your tailors to get these designs stitched. Many designs are also available on my YouTube channel. So please visit my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please like my video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to watch the next video. You can get the notification easily in the comment section. I will definitely tell you how you like the design. See you in next video.